Alright, here's my next engine. It's got an alternator connected to it. The engine overall length is 36 inches and the top of the flyball governor is 24. And I'm just running it off my 20-inch boiler. And I've got a amp meter here. 14-inch pulley, V-belt pulley. I make all the parts myself, except for the antique oiler, Swift oiler. I build the flyball governor myself as well. I'm going to open up the cocks here. Crank. Beautiful. And this has got a crosshead on it. A little different design. It's the way the original mill engines were built. I buy these antique pulleys and refurbish them. That and the oiler is the only thing that comes from outside. Everything else, well, the valves, like some of these valves on here, I get those on eBay. And I've got, 80 pounds of steam, but it'll run easily on 20 pounds. And I'll turn on the steam. A little bit more. We've got an RPM gauge here. We want to put it on the pulley here. It's spinning about 1,000 RPM. And the engine's spinning at 200 RPM. Really nice setup. Beautiful. Flyball governor working great. It's keeping the speed of the engine down so it'll go faster. I might adjust that valve later to get more speed out of it. And I'm going to close cut cock here. Now she's speeding up even more. Beautiful oiler. I've only got the valves open about 1/4 of a turn, maybe 1/8 of a turn. That's all it needs. And I'll ship it full of oil. You will need to get steam oil eventually. Beautiful. This runs great. See, it's not charging right now, but because the battery is full. That is a 1-pole alternator, and it won't charge unless the battery is down, so it's fully charged. Well, if anybody's interested in this engine, I'm just selling the engine on this listing. Not the steam hoses and not the lifting table and not the battery. But the engine and the cables and everything go. Give me a call. My name is Ross. My number is 206-948-0770. Thanks for watching.